Janine Pirro has established herself as a dynamic force in the media and political spheres. Her transformation from legal expert to well-known television personality has been nothing short of captivating. She said a few, to which I responded, "Whoopee, did you just say you?" She then said, "Get out of this building, because today we're delving into the lesser-known chapters of Janine Pirro's life, from her early triumphs to her turbulent relationships, legal battles and career. Come along as we explore the fascinating life of Janine Pirro, including the circumstances surrounding her quick divorce from her spouse.
The childhood of Janine.
The path that Janine P. took to become well-known in the legal and media industries. Her childhood in Elmira, New York, was molded by her ardent desire for justice, education, and hard work. Her parents were Marian Catholics, a salesman for mobile homes and a model in department stores. The basis for Pirro's incredible journey was her early desire to become a lawyer. When Pirro was a student at Notre Dame High School in Elmira, where she completed her education in just 3 years, her academic aptitude became apparent. During her internship, she gained crucial insights into the legal system from the Chong County District Attorney's Office. Pirro maintained his academic excellence after high school, earning a Bachelor of Arts degree with honors from the University at Buffalo. Her unwavering dedication to her objectives and thirst for knowledge drove her to even greater success in the legal profession. Pirro continued her studies at Albany Law School, where she obtained her Juris Doctor degree and improved her legal knowledge. Her trip from Elmira to Albany Law School was evidence of her unwavering resolve to have a beneficial influence on the legal system as well as her pursuit of academic excellence. Pirro started her career in 1975 when she was hired by Westchester County, New York, as an assistant district attorney. She demonstrated a relentless work ethic and an unflinching devotion to upholding the law as she devoted her life to seeking justice for victims of terrible acts. Her co-workers in the community immediately came to appreciate and admire her for her unwavering desire for justice. As an assistant district attorney, she handled some noteworthy cases, one of which was the exoneration of Richard Dool Elmo, a man who had been falsely convicted of a crime. Pirro entered politics in 1990, and that was when her career really took off. She created history when she was appointed to the Westchester County Court as the first female judge. Her strong commitment to enforcing the law and making sure that justice was done defined her term as a judge. She was the first female district attorney of Westchester County to be elected in 1993. Pirro's exceptional work as a district attorney was noticed, and she soon became well known around the country for her exceptional contributions to criminal justice and law enforcement. Her standing as a trailblazing legal expert and champion for victims' rights grew, solidifying her place as a significant player in the legal world. When Pirro first began her career as a legal analyst in 1997, she provided perceptive analysis and commentary on well-known cases and legal topics. She rose to prominence in the media sector quite rapidly thanks to her astute legal judgment and her authoritative yet personable manner. When Pirro took on the role of host of Justice with Judge Jeanine in 2011, she discussed hot-button social and legal problems. Viewers responded favorably to her bold and outspoken approach, which helped her garner a devoted fan base and establish her as a strong television personality. Over the years, Janine Pirro, a well-known person in the legal and media fields, has encountered many difficulties and problems. Despite a major setback to her career and the public inauguration of justice with Judge Jeanine in September 2011, she went on to make vital contributions to public conversation through a variety of platforms. When Pirro was charged with speeding in November 2017 for exceeding the posted speed limit of 119 miles per hour in upstate New York, the public immediately became aware of her actions and began to doubt her judgment and her duty as a public figure. Her professional reputation was tarnished by the incident's media coverage. Pirro became a member of Heavenly Rex's board of directors in July 2019. Heavenly Rex is a cannabis firm that produces CBD products. Her involvement in the cannabis business caused a stir and prompted conversations about the relationship between the legal media and private interests. The biggest legal obstacle for Pirro, meanwhile, was presented on February 4, 2021, when Smartmatic launched a slander action against her. According to the lawsuit, Fox News, along with Pirro, participated in a disinformation campaign that had an immediate negative effect on Smartmatic's commercial operations both domestically and internationally. The lawsuit's ramifications went beyond Pirro's accusations against other well-known individuals, including Rudy Giuliani, Sidney Powell, and Maria Bomo Ludos. This served to highlight Pirro's involvement in the dissemination of misleading information. After dating for a while in college, Janine and Albert Pirro experienced a turbulent relationship that ended in divorce in 2007. When word leaked out in 2007 that they were divorcing, it shocked their social and professional circles, leading many to wonder what might have gone wrong in their long-term marriage. The decision to end a marriage was made public by Albert Pirro's legal issues, which have been extensively reported to have played a significant role in Janine's choice. Albert became embroiled in court disputes in 2000 after he was accused of evading taxes on his commercial transactions. The public perception of the Pirro family was damaged by the trial that followed and the conviction that followed, which received extensive media coverage. Albert's sentence of 29 months in federal prison marked the end of his legal ordeal and a trying time for both Janine and him. Since standing by her husband during the ordeal, Janine Pirro, a well-known conservative television personality and ardent supporter of President Trump, has drawn a great deal of attention from the public. But when then-President Donald Trump pardoned Albert Pirro in the final days of his administration in 2020, the story took an unexpected turn. Because of Albert's relationship to Janine, a fervent Trump supporter, the pardon caused a commotion. Discussions concerning presidential pardons were sparked by the occurrence, especially when it came to cases involving people with political ties. Opponents contest the pardon's motivations as well as its effects on accountability. Janine has kept her personal life pretty quiet in the years after she and Albert parted ways, preferring to concentrate on her work and public presence. She made a startling admission in 2018 about her very personal battle with cancer in 2012. For many of her admirers, this revelation unveiled a side of Janine they had never seen before. Her Catholic faith has greatly influenced the way she sees the world and has helped her navigate the ups and downs of life. Janine Pirro has been actively involved in public activism and speaking engagements in addition to her television pursuits. She is the author of several provocative novels that explore modern political and social concerns. Her writing endeavors have grown recently, adding to the continuing discussions concerning media scrutiny and justice governance. Even though Janine Pirro has achieved success in her career, a lot of rumors have been made about her personal life, especially after her divorce. Her fans and followers are curious to learn more about her personal life because she keeps her sexual connections under wraps. A well-known person in American politics, Janine Pirro has pioneered the fields of advocacy and law. Throughout Trump's presidency, her reputation as one of his most ardent fans in conservative media circles has been cemented by her audacious remarks and steadfast support for him. Pirro's support of Trump's policies on important topics like immigration, national security, and economic revival struck a strong chord with her audience and fan base. Pirro persevered in her dedication to promoting conservative values and supporting Trump's vision for the United States in the face of criticism. The situation involving Stormy Daniels and Janine Pirro has taken center stage recently. The former adult film actress Daniels became well known for her purported involvement with Donald Trump and was involved in a contentious spat with Pirro. The episode gained widespread media attention and led to strong discussion and criticism of Pirro's actions. At first, Pirro stayed unyielding and refused to express regret or admit any guilt. But finally, as cries for accountability got louder and public pressure increased, Pirro released a statement apologizing to Daniels and expressing sorrow for her actions. Reactions to her apology were divided. Some thought it was forced and fake, while others saw it as a positive first step in admitting the consequences of her words and deeds. Pirro's career serves as an example of tenacity, fervor, and an unwavering quest for justice. Her career, which has been characterized by notable turning points and a variety of roles, has cemented her standing as a major player in American public life. Her career highlights are a reflection of her diverse professional background, which includes lobbying and law journalism. In the courtroom, on television, or in the pages of her books, her unshakable dedication to justice and her aptitude at explaining intricate legal issues have made her a well-known presence in American public life. Finally, resilience, impact, and a commitment to changing the world characterize Janine Pirro's legacy. Her path is proof of the strength of tenacity and the long-lasting effects of using one's position to make a significant difference in a society that is always changing. So viewers, for the next update please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.